Hi, welcome to the Enabling Festival, Centered Stories, right? So we had an exhibition that's going on right now at the Punggol Library. Now to the end of the month, you can find us here at the Punggol Library on level 4. In fact, today we just have our first visitors to the exhibition, and we just wanted to thank Natalie as well as Regina for coming out, right? Natalie, so after you finished visiting the exhibitions, what did you like about it?
I think I really like that there is so many interesting stories that I can read. I think although like I haven't been through the process of living with someone who is undergoing dementia yet, it's nice I think to like just listen as well to things that I can still relate to from other people's like scent memories, right? And it's also a good way to prepare for the future about how like you can use scent as a way to re-invoke those kinds of memories. Yeah. So even though I haven't reached that stage of life yet, I think it's still quite meaningful for me to come out and read with other people and be able to empathize together.
Yeah, so when you were reading it, it was through our Padlet that you were looking at, right? Yes. So we really hope that you will contribute more stories, yourself, Natalie, as well as Regina. Thank you so much for being here.
But what Daniel said was really true, because scent really evoked memories for things that happened in the past. And I think for dementia patients, that's really important because it's so far back that they are having to remember all this, and you're trying to just bring it all out to put them into the present so that they can activate their cognitive memories, and connect them to things in the past. And maybe that's also a conversational opener for the people around them to tell them what happened in the past. Right? Yeah. And I think that's a really good thing.
It's giving me goosebumps.
I think specifically also for the Padlet, it's quite nice to not just read like the memories from like caregivers themselves, like that you have displayed here in the exhibition, but just about like some other Singaporeans. Like there was one about like how like she remembers like the smell of like her chow chow of her
the smell of pillow, right?
And that's something that I can totally relate with and empathize with. So it's quite nice to like scroll through and read also other people's scent memories, right?
Yeah.
Also see like what's the similar scent memories that we have, whether it be about like maybe things like the tiger bomb that you have here like on display that I can smell, or whether it's things about like my chow chow, like invoking a little bit of like a sentimental feeling for me as well.
Awesome. So thank you once again, right, for really being here and sharing this whole experience. I think more people will drop by the festival as well. Yeah, so come by the festival again, once again, in Punggol Library from now till the end of the month, the end of September, and then we will be going on to Jurong West Library. Right. So come on now.